Welcome back to my YouTube channel Auto Smartphone, where we talk about the latest and most exciting tech launches, and today we have something that honestly sounds too good to be true. Oppo has just launched a new 5G smartphone in 2026 at an unbelievable price of just 9,500 rupees, and the specs it brings to the table are absolutely shocking for this segment. A massive 300 megapixels camera, a powerful 7,500 mAh battery, and full 5G support at this price point make this phone one of the most talked about budget launches of the year. Let's start with the design, because Oppo knows how to make budget phones look premium. This device comes with a sleek and modern body, slim edges, and a glossy back panel that reflects light beautifully. Despite packing a huge battery inside, the phone feels well balanced in hand and not overly bulky. The camera module on the back looks bold and futuristic, giving flagship vibes even though this is a budget-friendly device. Oppo has clearly focused on giving users a premium feel without increasing the cost. Now let's talk about the highlight feature, the 300 megapixels camera, which is simply mind-blowing at this price. Oppo is pushing mobile photography to a whole new level in the budget category. The main camera captures ultra-detailed photos with impressive sharpness, even when you zoom in. Daylight photography is excellent, with vibrant colors, strong contrast, and great dynamic range. Portrait shots come out clean with natural background blur, and edge detection is surprisingly accurate. Night photography is also very impressive thanks to advanced AI processing, allowing you to capture brighter and clearer images with reduced noise. For video lovers, the phone supports high-resolution video recording with decent stabilization, making it perfect for YouTube Shorts, Reels, and daily vlogging. On the front, Oppo has included a sharp selfie camera that delivers clear and natural-looking selfies. Skin tones look balanced, and beauty modes are well optimized without making faces look artificial. Whether you are on video calls or creating social media content, this phone delivers solid performance. Performance is another area where this Oppo 5G smartphone stands out. Powered by a reliable and efficient processor designed for daily multitasking, the phone handles apps smoothly with minimal lag. Social media, YouTube, browsing, and messaging feel fast and responsive. Casual gaming runs smoothly, and even heavier games are playable with optimized settings. Combined with ample RAM and fast storage, the overall experience feels smooth and stable for a phone in this price range. One of the biggest strengths of this device is its massive 7,500 mAh battery. This is a true battery beast. With normal usage, including social media, video streaming, calls, and browsing, the phone can easily last 2 full days on a single charge. Even heavy users will comfortably get a full day and more. Oppo has also included fast charging support, which helps you quickly power up the device and get back to your routine without long waiting times. The display on this Oppo smartphone is bright, colorful, and perfect for multimedia consumption. Watching videos, movies, and playing games feels immersive thanks to good color reproduction and sharp visuals. The screen size is ideal for content lovers, and the touch response is smooth and accurate. Whether you are scrolling through social media or watching Netflix, the experience feels enjoyable. In terms of software, the phone runs on the latest version of Oppo's clean and user-friendly interface. It comes with useful features, smart optimizations, and customization options while keeping bloatware to a minimum. Security features like face unlock and fingerprint scanning work fast and accurately, adding convenience and safety. Connectivity is future-ready with full 5G support, ensuring faster internet speeds, smoother streaming, and better online gaming performance. You also get all the essential features like dual SIM support, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, GPS, and a reliable call quality experience. To be honest, launching a 5G smartphone with a 300 megapixels camera and a 7,500 mAh battery at just 9,500 rupees is a bold move by Oppo. This phone is clearly aimed at students, budget users, and anyone who wants powerful features without spending a lot of money. If you are looking for a value-for-money smartphone in 2026 that delivers strong performance, outstanding battery life, and next-level camera capabilities, this Oppo 5G smartphone deserves serious attention. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Smartphone for more exciting smartphone reviews like this.